Hey, what's up guys? We are in Osaka, Japan, and in this video we're going to be visiting one of my favorite Japanese motorcycle brand shops. We're going to be visiting the Kushitani Performance Shop here at Namba Station. The Kushitani Performance store at Namba in Osaka is located underneath the railroad tracks here at Namba Station, and it's kind of tucked into this really cool urban space. Let's go check it out. For those of you that don't know, Kushitani is similar to some of the more premium brands of motorcycle gear. I would compare it to like a Dainese or, maybe even a higher up brand compared to Dainese. They specialize a lot in road racing gear, but also make street riding gear too. Arigato. Right as you come in, they've got some pretty cool casual apparel. Here we've got these super cool coffee mugs that are made to look like titanium motorcycle race exhausts. Pretty cool. These are their high-end road racing gloves. This would be comparable to like a top-of-the-line Alpenstars glove, and these they've got for, looks like 17,000 yen, so about 120 bucks. Really reasonable price on those. These are even higher up. You can see the Kevlar stitching on those gloves. A little bit more crash protection. These ones are 21,000 yen, or about 150 bucks after tax. This is a really cool jacket. This is like an armored hoodie. I like how high up the neck gets there. This is 69,000 yen, pretty expensive, so this is going to be close to 500 bucks. Really nice supple leather though. Here they've got a bunch of nice riding backpacks and thigh packs and fanny packs. This riding backpack's super nice. This one is 19,000 yen, so about 130 bucks. I like that keeps the backpack off your back. That'd be nice for a hot day. Nice riding fanny pack. 10,000 yen, so about 60 bucks for that one. It's like a hip belt. 80 bucks. Pretty nice. Let's see what else they got. Oh, this is super cool. This is like a little small shoulder harness. Just enough space for like a water bottle and a little bit of tools or base layer, something like that. That's super cool. And that's 8,500 yen, so that's about 60 bucks. It's awesome. It's a nice breathable textile, kind of hooded summer riding jacket. Decent shoulder and elbow armor, back armor. This is 31,000 yen, so about 200 bucks. But it gets really hot and humid in Japan, so having a jacket that's really breathable is super important. It's a nice colorway too. 200 bucks is a really good deal. We got a bunch of really cool riding boots here. Check these out. These are like a riding Converse, Kushitani branded, and they've got your shift toe area covered up. It's a much more rigid sole than a Converse, and these are 16,500, so about 100 bucks. Kushitani is of course really famous for the race suits that they make. They have several sponsored MotoGP riders that wear these suits, including Ayagura, who's a Japanese MotoGP racer. These are really nice quality, really supple leather. This one is 290,000 yen, so about 2,000 bucks. But definitely in the same construction quality as a Dainese suit or a RS Tai Chi suit or a high-end Alpenstar suit. Nice elbow sliders. Kushitani also partners with Alpenstars, I believe, to make their race suits Tech Air compatible. Here they've got some Ayagura merch, Ayagura t-shirt, Ayagura snap hat. That's super cool. Ooh, Ayagura keychains. I'm gonna have to get one of those. Keychains are $8. Hats are about 30. Shirts are like 35 bucks. They've also got these really nice kind of all-weather adventure riding jackets. It's got some nice 3DO armor. Not super heavy-duty armor, but really good waterproof jacket. 38,000, so that's about, wow, that's a really good deal. This is only like 240 bucks. These are really nice. Some nice heavy-duty riding pants. These are almost comparable to like a Climb Gore-Tex Pro Shell riding garment. This one's 45,000 yen, so about 350 bucks. Super nice. They even have nice motocross gear. So these are 22,000 yen, or about 150. So, nice, just jean cut leather pants. 86,000 yen, so about 600 bucks. Kind of a classic leather motorcycle riding pant. Oh, sweet. They even have Kushitani Alpenstars dual branded. So these are the Super Tech boots, but they have Kushitani branding on them. Super awesome. Kushitani Hamamatsu. Those are Trick. 73,000 yen, so about 500 bucks. Those are awesome. Alright, so that's a quick tour of the shop. I'm going to pick up a couple gifts to take home to friends, and then pop outside and I'll show you guys what I got. Alright, I just left the Kushitani store and picked up a couple gifts for friends, a couple keychains, and an Ayagura flag to cheer on Ayagura and MotoGP. Hope you guys liked watching this video. If you're in the Osaka area, make sure you come and check out the Kushitani store here near Namba Station. Super cool shop. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you can see videos right when they come out. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.